Exciting updates on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Let's dive into the new features: speech to text, circle to search, built-in interpreter, advanced editing, browser assist, and wallpaper magic. Now, what about compatibility with current Galaxy devices? Samsung is in the process of adding some AI features to existing devices, focusing on the Galaxy S23, Z Fold 5, and Z Flip 5. While other devices might get these updates, it's best to remain skeptical, as One UI 6.1 is more than a standard update. Moving on to the Galaxy S24 series, here's what to expect. Galaxy S24 to 6.2-inch display, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or Exynos 2400, 8GB RAM, 128GB, 256GB storage, 4000 mAh battery, starting at $850. Galaxy S24 Plus, 6.7-inch display, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or Exynos 2400, 12GB RAM, 256GB, 512GB storage, 4900 mAh battery, starting at $1,050. Galaxy S24 Ultra, 6.8-inch display, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, 12GB RAM, 256GB, 512GB, 1 TB storage, 5000 mAh battery, starting at $1,250. These phones offer enhanced displays, powerful processors, and exciting camera setups. Whether you opt for the standard model or go all in with the Ultra, Samsung has you covered. Stay tuned for more updates as we approach the official launch.